Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix lead nurturing with Marketo, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Marketo account. Navigate to the marketing section in the main menu. Select lead database from the drop-down options. Once in the lead database, identify the leads you want to nurture. Use filters to segment your leads based on criteria such as demographics or behavior. Create a new smart list by clicking on the New button. Name your smart list appropriately based on your selected criteria. Once the smart list is created, review the leads included to ensure they meet your expectations. Next, go to the Marketing Activities section in the main menu. Select the appropriate workspace for your team. Now, it's time to create a new program for your lead nurturing campaign. Click on the New Program button and choose the program type. For lead nurturing, choose email as the program type. Assign a name and description for your program for clarity. After creating the program, navigate to the Schedule tab. Set your campaign's schedule by choosing start and end dates. Next, move to the Email tab within your new program. Create a new email that aligns with your lead nurturing goals. Design your email using Marketo's email editor, ensuring it is visually appealing. Make sure to personalize the content to increase engagement. Once your email is designed, preview it and send a test to yourself for review. After confirming everything looks good, activate your email. Now, return to the Smart Campaign section of your program. Create a new Smart Campaign to automate your nurturing process. Define the trigger for your campaign, such as specific lead actions. Set up the flow of your campaign, which includes sending the email you previously created. Review all settings in your Smart Campaign for accuracy. Activate your Smart Campaign to begin nurturing your leads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.